Welcome to day 25 of my 100 days of Webflow journey. Today we're going to dive into something really important, which is collecting feedback on our Webflow projects. Now, there has been many methods in use. I've personally used a lot of different methods with different teams, different clients. But today, thanks to Webflow apps and specifically Punchlist, which is an application that is available on the Webflow App Marketplace, this has become a very easy process to do. Now you just integrate this application on your Webflow project, and then you can annotate, you can write comments that are only internal, comments that are external that you can share with your clients, and then you just share a link. They can go in there, add comments, reply to your comments. They don't even have to make an account. They just write in the comment, and it's super easy to use, super intuitive. So let's check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned on this 100 days of Webflow journey, where I'm going to share a lot more of Webflow tutorials and tips and tricks on how to make your life easier when using Webflow. So without further ado, let's jump to it. Okay, so first thing, we go to Webflow apps. Now it's under Marketplace. You can see it here, apps, or you go to webflow.com/apps, and then we're going to look for Punchlist. Now this is Punchlist, a super cool application to collect feedback and comments. Let's add this to one of the clonables that I have. So this website, I have it as a clonable. Now I'm gonna integrate Punchlist to this website. So I'm gonna go on the Webflow app. I'm gonna add this to site, and then I'm gonna look for Optiform. Optiform right there. I'm gonna authorize app. Okay, so then it takes you to your dashboard. Now I go to my dashboard. I think you can have 10 projects with the free account, and then you can add more projects by purchasing a subscription. So let's say we're gonna make this project. So Optiform, and then it's a Webflow project. This is right there, Optiform. Now I have a couple of pages. You can choose which pages that you want to connect this to. I just want to connect it to my home page, and then I can add additional folders or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. So let's just create this on our home page of Optiform. Now this is what you get. You get this, dashboard workspace. You can see your website here. And then you can just simply click on add feedback, and then go here, let's say, make logo bigger. Okay, and then submit this. Now it goes here, this comment goes here. And then let's say I want to add another feedback. I don't know, make it pop, classic feedbacks. And then I can choose whether this feedback is shared only with my team or externally. So let's say I want this only to be seen by my team. So I can have this right here. I can choose the status of it. Let's say this is in progress, and I want to update my team member that I want to tell them that this is in progress, I'm working on it. And basically that's how it's done. And now let's say I want to share this with my client. So I can click on share, copy this link, and then I can, let's say, open an incognito mode and see how it will look like from a non-signed in user. So pretty much the same thing. I can only see the public comments, and then I can also add comments. So if your client wants to add comments, so you can just go there and change the text of this button, and they can submit. It's going to be added here. So it's called temporary user. I can also add my name. So let's say your client is called Ali, and then I have to submit an email. So let's say test.com. So this is just for the sake of knowing who made that comment. So if, let's say, I have Ali. Yeah, so now I have Ali. So I can just, let's say, add feedback here. Let's say remove this title. I'm taking this super seriously for some reason. Submit. And now you can see Ali made this comment. So this is that. This is super easy. And if I go back to my Webflow project, I can see that Ali made a comment to remove the title. Super easy to use. You can also integrate this, which is super nice. So if you go on workspace integration, you can integrate it with Asana, with Trello, with Slack, making your life much easier, making collecting feedback much easier, getting feedback from client, from team, working on the project much more efficiently. You can also do this on Figma, which is also cool, but we're just gonna be doing Webflow because this is 100 days of Webflow. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I taught you something today. I can't believe it's already been 25 days, but I really hope that you stay tuned on this 100 days of Webflow journey. I'm going to be sharing a lot more tutorials, tips, and tricks on how to use Webflow. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you can see the videos daily. And well, you can see them whenever you want, but they're going to be posted daily. So stay tuned on that. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you tomorrow.